Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can enable vertical tabs on Google Chrome. So the process is really simple. The first thing that you want to make sure of is that you're running the latest version of Google Chrome. So if you go to the top right hand corner and you see it says update Chrome, you want to go ahead and click on that. Then you want to go to your address bar and you want to type https:// and then flags, okay, flags, and then click on go. Okay, so that's actually the wrong address. You want to type chrome : / and then flags. So that's just chrome : / flags, and then you'll get here where it says experiments. Now what you want to do is click on search flags and just type vertical. There you'll see the vertical tabs right there. It says default. You want to hit that drop down and then click on enabled. And it says your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Chrome. Okay, so then you just click on relaunch. And then now what you can do is you can right click on your tabs. And now you can see the option here that says show tabs vertically. Okay, so click on show tabs vertically. And right now you can see I have all my tabs on the left hand side. You can go ahead and move this. So if you want to read the whole tab, you can move this across, but you'll get less screen space. So you can move it to like there, or what else you can do is you can hit this button on the left top. It says collapse tabs, and there you'll get much more screen space and you can actually see which tabs are there by hovering over it. Okay, and that's basically all you need to do to get vertical tabs on Google Chrome. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.